everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to add, delete or modify your Facebook cover photo. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel Webtech Tutorials, make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe button to our channel for more helpful contents and tutorials on web. So let's move on to how to change your cover photo. First of all, you must be logged into your Facebook account on your device. Open your Facebook app and log into your account. After that, you have to go to the top. You can see there is the home button, then beside it is the friends button, and beside it is the groups, and next to it you can see the profile, which will take you to your Facebook profile. Here in this Facebook profile, you can see your profile picture, and behind it you can see add cover photo. So to add a cover photo to your profile, you need to tap on add cover photo. Then you can see the options. You can upload a cover photo, you can select from your Facebook any photo, or you can also create cover collage and you can select artwork. So here we will go with upload photo. To make a cover photo on your Facebook profile, choose a photo from your gallery. If you choose upload photo, you will be taken to the gallery of your device, and then you can choose one picture from here and then upload it to your Facebook cover. So when you choose one picture, then it will show you how you want to put the cover photo on your Facebook profile. Drag it and adjust the photo. Then after it is done, you can tap on save button at the top right corner. Then you can refresh it and see the cover photo has been added to your Facebook profile. In this way you can add a cover photo on your Facebook profile. Now if you want to remove this cover photo, sometimes you might not like what you have on your cover photo, or you might want to change it, then you simply need to tap on the cover photo. Then you will see there are options: upload photo, select photo, create cover, select artwork, and there you can see view profile cover. When you tap on it, it will view to you like this, and you can see on your mobile screen at the top right corner the three dots. If you tap on it, you will get the options to update your cover photo. You can make featured photo, you can edit the caption on your photo, you can delete the photo. If you want to save the photo to your device, you can tap on save to phone. You can share this photograph, you can send it in Messenger and edit as well. So if you want to remove this photo, you can tap on delete photo and tap on delete. Then you see the photo will be deleted from your Facebook profile. And if you want to again add another photo, you will do the same process again. Tap on add cover photo and choose the upload photo, then choose one photograph from your gallery, and in this way your photograph will be added to your cover photo on your Facebook profile. And to modify it, you can tap on the cover photo and tap on view cover photo. Then here again, by going at the top right corner, you can see the options. This option is for tagging. If you have anyone, your friends or someone you want to tag in this photo, you can tag it by going here. Next button is the location button. You can add location to your photograph. It is of any places you have visited and you want to share it on your Facebook profile. And next, the three dots are for making the edits and updates to your cover photo. So in this way you can add a cover photo, delete it or modify it from your device on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to add cover photo, delete it or modify it. Do like and subscribe to our channel and this video. And if you have any questions and queries, don't forget to mention it down at the comment section.